A great floor plan loaded with technology makes the Synergy JR24 today's featured floor plan.
Let's start with the floor plan. Slide out the wall with the booth dinette and you are going to love this setup. With wraparound back cushions and lift-up footrest, this dinette is ready for everything from mealtime, work time, or kicking back and watching TV. And it quickly converts into a sleeping area when you need it. When you're stretched out in the dinette and don't feel like sharing, the captain's chairs in the Synergy swivel and adjust for another great comfortable area to sit, or simply lounge on the overhead bunk. On the curbside, your kitchen with induction cooktop with large stainless steel sink set into solid surface countertops. The convection microwave below the counter means more storage for you up above. Take a look back. You're going to find a large closet right behind the dinette, and look at the way the JR24 sets up your bathroom and bedroom. On the curbside, you have a full bed surrounded by high-gloss solid wood cabinets. On the other, your sink and medicine cabinet, which is great when someone needs the privacy on the other side of this door. The Synergy JR24 shows off the latest in technology with the Bluetooth-enabled entertainment system and the app-enabled multiplex wiring system featuring a full-color touchscreen. From the main screen or your mobile device, you can control every function of your Synergy. When you're in the driver's seat, take control of your audio on the tilt leather-wrapped steering wheel. With the Summit package, tech is taken to the next level with a WineGuard Connect 4G hotspot, Fusion Infotainment Center with navigation, Bluetooth and JBL sound system, Mobileye Lane Assist, a 100-watt solar panel, and full-body paint. Under your armless patio awning with integrated LED lights, the exterior TV is on a swivel and sound pumps out through the marine-grade speakers. The Synergy is not short on power as the Sprinter's 188 horsepower and 325 pound-feet of torque zip you right along.
If you'd like to learn more about the Synergy JR24, visit thormotorcoach.com.
If you would like to see sales prices from the only full-line and fully authorized Thor Motor Coach dealership in the world, visit Motorhome Specialist at MHSRV.com or call 800-335-6054. Motorhome Specialist is the #1 volume-selling motorhome dealership in the world. Over 200 acres and $165 million in inventory to choose from, all at one central location, making it easy to fly in from anywhere in the country and then drive your new dream motor coach home. All sale priced at a minimum of 25% off the manufacturer's suggested retail price every day. You will also enjoy the premier delivery process that can only be found at MHSRV. From the extensive pre-check and make-ready process to the only dealership performed and fully automated rain booth test in the industry, you'll see a world of difference at Motorhome Specialist. These additional detail and inspection processes are just a few of the countless steps taken here at Motorhome Specialist to help ensure that you not only receive a better selection and price, but also the unparalleled quality and service that you deserve to go along with it. So get busy living in an all-new Thor Motor Coach from Motorhome Specialist today. Why pay more? Why settle for less?